Welcome to Final Cut, Vera Moment Lebza. Welcome to the show, dog.
Aw sekunjalo angizwanga no action.
This is not a movie, it's real life.
Why are you saying Libs? I just introduced myself to your guy and said it's LB. But you are going the African way, it's Libs.
Oh, you LB.
Show LB love on Instagram, everywhere, even on Facebook.
That's nice.
Yeah.
Oh, you're on Facebook?
I'm on Facebook, dog. I love Facebook.
How is it there? It's not like Twitter.
It's too nice, dog. Free mode. Even if you don't have data, you can log in. I lay in if you need data.
Send the message.
Yeah, what? You know what I like about Facebook?
Yeah.
It's like your Lesedi FM, Cozy FM. You've got your loyal listeners there. They are very loyal. They will comment, they will share.
Even if they don't see.
It doesn't matter.
They say no.
Yeah,
she's beautiful.
Wow.
But you don't say nothing.
What do you mean you don't see nothing? It's Facebook for a reason.
Where you going with this?
Just showing them as how smart you are.
Very smart.
Very smart.
I'm telling you, I'm super. Nice to meet you again.
Nice to meet me. I know it's always nice to meet me, dog. Don't worry.
When you meet me, it's nice.
I met you a long time.
When?
That day.
Welcome to Final Cut. What are we talking about?
How? I'm the guest, Mons. Am I not the guest? Why are you asking me what are we talking about?
You don't look like guests. My guests are fresh, dog. You know, if I can bring my guests here,
I
it'll be crazy. It'll be
cut,
crazy.
man, cut. We're done.
If I can bring my guests,
This is the end. We're done. We're done.
If I can bring my guests, dog, it would be amazing. You would be amazed. So you're talking about
hip hop.
Yeah.
You said hip hop and what?
It's hip hop, and obviously you're gonna talk about Big Zulu then, and the diss tracks and all the stuff. What is your top 4?
Big Zulu.
Who's number 1?
How many diss songs are out yet?
It's 4 diss songs.
It's Big Zulu, Cassper,
Duncan.
There are 5.
There are 5.
We haven't mentioned 2. Kwesta,
KO.
You said 4.
There are 5. Hey, this one is the copy. You're counting Big Zulu also.
I'm not diss track, is it not? It is. It's a diss
I was
track.
not counting Big Zulu because it's about him.
It's not about him.
It's about him.
No, I got Jabul.
This shit is about Big Zulu, bro.
No. If it was about him, he was going to sing about himself only. But he included others. So it's about him as well.
Yeah, he was dissing them, then they make it about him because all of them now are responding to Big Zulu.
Okay, you should put it like that. You're smart, yes. Hey, my daughter. You're smart, my boy. I'm so
Your
proud.
metric pass with age.
Yeah, you were high. You were high, my guy.
I took the whole thing, dog. Yeah.
So it's Big Zulu,
Yes.
KO, Kwesta, Duncan, Cassper.
Nice.
5 diss tracks. But these 4 are responding to the first one. They got Big
Yes.
Zulu.
Yes.
Okay, cool. Multi top 4, some keep Big Zulu.
Yeah, so the top 4.
Okay, let's say for me.
Yes.
Hey, I had a listen.
Which one is your number 1 though?
KO came in. Kamnandi lapana, you know.
Yeah.
And then Kwesta Mthinayi is working with my boy Umakwa. I'm like shit.
Yeah.
Plus Quantum now, just now coming here.
Yeah.
Am I
Yeah.
choosing you to know? Is it okay?
I don't have a cow, I don't have a cow. Cows, do your thing.
Are we looking at the flow? Are we looking at that
Everything. I think everything.
Yes, sis, bro. I'm confused between Kwesta and
And
KO. Who's
KO.
number
I don't
1
blame
here,
you.
bro?
But I'll pick Kwesta
For number 1.
Yeah.
Why?
In terms of the flow and you know what I look when I look at this track is like it was all about the game. That's what I like about Big Zulu. He didn't mention much about their personal life. It was all about your career, what we do.
So somebody came in and he was very emotional.
And what Duncan did is like come in very emotional, crying.
He was
a
body shaming Big Zulu there, dog.
bro, you don't do that. That's not a diss track.
But he is capable of delivering a diss track.
First of all,
But
the
yeah, he was
beat
emotional.
choice was fucked up. What I noticed, it doesn't accommodate e-voice at Duncan.
Okay.
It was like awful. It was like someone who's shouting, is on the mountain and shouting.
Wow.
Bro, I won't listen it again. But what is nice about KO and Kwesta, you can go through and listen it again.
Boy, I listened to those diss tracks at the gym, dog.
Bro, but you won't go again and listen to Duncan.
Okay.
And I'm disappointed when it's come to Cassper because he got like the time. But I'm not convinced.
Okay,
Bro.
my top 4, right?
Yeah.
I've decided. Kwesta, number 1. KO.
Yeah.
Cass. I'm sorry, Duncan.
I would
Number 4.
rather put Duncan at number 3.
Why?
Dog, Cassper like didn't deliver. Nah.
King,
He got time. No, bro, but he got time. Like what he was doing.
What did he do wrong?
He said everything that they said. That's my problem. We all know Big Zulu got a big ass, and you got that period of time, and you're coming back and you're telling me Big Zulu got the big ass again. Bro, I've been listening to that. The intro is good. We'd like to hear Malema in Parliament and Shunwe Ndunu.
Your boy's calling me now.
This Prince.
Oh, Prince.
Tell him we're doing the pod.
I'm doing the pod. No, I'll call him.
Yeah.
Okay. So you're saying he stole somebody's lines, or he's just repeating it?
Just repeating. He was not creative. Like he was not creative. There's nothing amazing about it.
Ouch. Okay.
And for the fact that you got like so much time,
I'm not busy counting money.
then don't do this track if you're counting money.
But do you agree when
Because you're gonna sound like Duncan.
Cool.
Crying on the beat.
Wemma. So
Yeah.
do you agree when he says your first hit was because of me?
Nah, this was already big.
When he did I'm a Million, was it I'm a Million? Where Cassper was part of?
Big Zulu was already big.
No, okay, let's backtrack. Must be a move again. Baba ngumsindo, boy. Baba ngumsindo.
They're just greeting each other. You know, black people when they greet each other, they just make noise. So we can go with that. Yeah.
James, put on your ghost face and tell them that they're making noise.
Yeah.
Okay, let's backtrack. What was I even saying? I lost my train of thought.
Yeah.
What were we talking about?
Talking about Big Zulu before Cass.
Oh, yeah. So, before I'm a Million, where
Yeah.
Cass was on, right? Because if I'm not mistaken, please comment today and correct me if I'm wrong.
Yeah, it's a man you right now.
Okay, cool. So, which other track was after, before I'm a Million, and it was big by Big Zulu? Before I'm a Million. You must only edit to put those cricket sounds.
Before him ending,
Not in my ending. Yeah, in my ending.
not before him ending, before I'm a Million.
Which other track do you know that Big Zulu and actually was big?
But it was starting to blow up, right?
You're not talking about the blow up. You're saying he was big. You said he was
It
big.
was already big though. Actually.
Yes, one thing, but he was big and all.
No,
But career-wise,
like before Cass come,
Career-wise?
it was big.
No. He was bubbling under.
Under who?
All the hip-hop acts.
Bro, you're playing with Big Zulu. You're playing.
Yeah, because if I'm playing on Big Zulu,
So, okay. So, okay, we're about to close. So, your top 5 is?
About to close already?
Yeah. You see the people are here.
Yes,
People are here.
I demand more time.
The demand was
Demand
I'm
more
giving you
time.
5.
I gave you my top 4 already, dog.
He said Cass.
Kwesta,
Yeah.
KO,
Yeah.
Cass,
Yeah.
Duncan is Ultrin. For me,
Why Duncan is number last?
I feel like he didn't come with creativity there, dog. He was just angry. I feel like he should have taken his time and actually recorded the track. He shouldn't have rushed that process. Because I feel like he was just bullshitting.
Did Cassper take time?
I feel like he first listened to Uskumba and like, okay, ebe mkwara. He was not this. That's not the Duncan that I know personally.
Which another district? This guy was so dumb. You can't diss Mthinayi. Who's Mthinayi?
He did it.
You diss the upcoming artist for what?
He's better. Listen to that district and listen to this one now. Which one?
But I'm saying, how can you put more effort dissing the upcoming artist?
I'm coming by playing
and the big artist you don't. And then on a big artist you don't, bro.
Huh? If I mention you, Chris, on my podcast, which is bigger than yours, people will go check.
Which is wrong? Why are you mentioning people must climb?
No.
Nigga, when you're on top, you not come down. Yeah, people must come down and shake your hand.
No, when
I'm on top, you come on top. I'm not coming down. For what?
Reach out to me, dog.
Lift me up. But I'm on top, why are you not coming?
Lift me up. What if I need a lift up?
But nobody lifted me up.
It doesn't matter, dog.
Nah, you come on top. Ubuntu, what I'm wearing on top, and I will treat you well when you come there. I will respect you. I'm giving nobody help.
Let's say now, for example, we go but in hiking, and then mind Chris is up there and on a stone or big stone. He's not gonna.
That's different. That's different.
No. Look. Okay, as in Chris.
Okay, rate the big Zulu new track. So
I'm What's your question? What must I do?
Rate the new big Zulu track.
Which one? With
Nasty and Metro Ranking. How is it?
I listened to it.
Yeah.
Firstly, I saw the video where he was picking up Upata Ranki in Center, and then they were playing the song in the background. Yeah. And I'm okay, the beat is nice.
Yeah.
Hey, but I boy, it didn't hit. Even Nasty, when he came in there, he sounded like Blackie for a second. I'm like, aye man, who's this? And then I look at the cover art, don't wanna lie.
Yeah.
But the track, it still has to grow on me personally.
Maybe
what I mean? Not personally.
You know what I feel is like Big Zulu was not supposed to do 2 verses on it. Because these 2 verses, they sound the same. And he gives us the
Here's a question. Here's a question. Do you think Big Zulu can switch flow like other rappers? Have you heard him on a song where he's switching a flow?
I never heard him. But on this particular track, I feel like was supposed to not do 2 verses. And Nessie got the small, bro, you don't do that. Was supposed to give Nessie time to rap and do 1 verse. Because these 2 verses, they really sound the same. I was like, this is the same.
Oh, sure.
Yeah, soon. You are supposed to put Nasty C and give him at least 1 minute and 30 seconds, and they take the 1 minute.
He tried to run the road
because the road is already
Patron
Ranking was good. Was good with the hook.
The hook was nice, though.
Nice.
The hook was nice.
Man, let's close this and then let's.
I want to talk more.
Let's close this, my king, and
how much time do we have? Are we done?
You see the boss. Okay. You see the boss with the shots.
Oh, the boss with the shots.
Wow. It's the one who cuts the shot.
Okay, here's my question before we close.
Yeah.
So now, since Kulmang hip hop, right? I'm a piano. Now, right? So do you feel or do you think?
And thanks to Big Zulu.
Yeah, shout out to Big Zulu. Siyabonga Baba. So here's my question now. Do you think this is an opportunity for other rappers to capitalize? Are they even going to capitalize? To come back and make hits? You've got other rappers besides Kwesta, KO.
Yeah, they can come in. I think it's a good time. They can just diss someone. If your dissing track is that dope, then it can work.
Okay, cool. Let them diss each other then. It's fine. It's hip hop after all.
Dope.
And I feel like Big Zulu did good because now the hip hop that we have been receiving was diluted.
You my guy, you smart. You cute, you smart, you fucking yellow bone. We out. You cute, you smart, yellow bone. Yellow bones are smart.